friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making 3-ingredient gluten-free mug cake. All we need is egg, powdered sugar, and cocoa powder. So it's going to be an amazing single-serving chocolate mug cake. And of course we need a mug to make it and a microwave. So now I'm going to crack 1 egg in a mug. And I'm going to whisk the egg. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And now I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. And now I will put it in a microwave. So let's take it to the microwave. And let's set the time to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this chocolate mug cake. It looks amazing. Perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying it. I love chocolate cake, so let's try it. Look at that. Perfect texture. What a nice chocolate cake, and it's flourless too. So good. This is the easiest chocolate cake ever. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!